Hello there, everybody. It's Boise Valley WX along with
Pacific Southwest.
Pacific Southwest WX. Bro, I called you 4 times. 4 times. Bro.
We're sleeping.
Anyways, gonna turn on the camera here. Shit. We got a box. And there's a power adapter in here already right off the bat.
Uniden.
Yeah, Uniden. There's an antenna.
Oh yeah, it's for AM and FM.
AM, FM.
Yeah, just to listen to it.
And another antenna, bro. Can't you believe that? Got everything here. You wouldn't believe it. This thing's all in bubble wrap. Look.
Yo.
Let me unbox it. Hold on. Let me.
What did we get?
So what did I get? I don't know what it is, bro. Boise Valley face reveal. Oh, no way. I don't know. What is it? Oh, Jesus Christ, I can't open this bubble wrap. I sure wonder what that...
BC370.
I sure wonder what that could be. Look at it. Look at what that is. Do you know what that is?
BC370CRS.
It's a BC370 CRS. Well, no, it's a BC370 BMH. Anyways, the seller said that this thing doesn't take battery power, but the battery compartment looks fine. Don't you think, bro? Don't you think the batteries look fine?
Oh yeah, let me check the serial number. Made in 2007. 2007 it was made.
Yeah, 2007. Yeah, that looks about right. So,
The good thing about it is it goes off for AM and FM.
yeah, I knew that. And it's loud, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so loud.
Yeah, this is, I know what kind of, antenna, the connector for the antenna, this is like, I forgot what it was called. There's the arrow, but I can't put the freaking antenna on.
It's the BNC antenna.
Yeah, BNC.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh well.
You're gonna set it up later?
Well, no, I'm gonna set it up right now. Right in front of the camera.
It says plug it. Okay, so it says turn the antenna directly into the BNC connector jack on the top or back of the unit and push down gently and twist the outer ring block.
Hold on.
Okay,
Okay, let me see if I can do that. Fuck, my phone. No! Are we serious right now? My phone keeps on falling over.
of course. Also, we got an enhanced risk, just so you know.
Oh, for where?
South Dakota, it's a PDS.
PDS for South Dakota?
Yes, and it says 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts are likely.
Well, I think I might
might
set up that antenna later. Hold on, let me go run off and turn on this power adapter. SVA for Montana, that's weird.
Yeah.
3, moment of truth. Oh!
Let's go.
It's turned on, but it's on channel. It was on 4.
To keep the backlight on, hold the snooze button.
Look at it. Look at my beautiful. Look at it.
I see it. Holy.
Beautiful.
Now hold the power button.
Hold the power button.
Yeah, that's how you turn it on.
Where the hell is that?
The power button. It looks like it's a metal ball.
Oh yeah.
Set it to the weather mode.
Oh yeah.
10 inches and steady. Mountain home haze and 100. Ontario sunny and 95. Baker City haze and 89.
Yeah.
Lewiston sunny.
I angle my camera down so you can see it a bit better.
Sunny and 85. Pocatello sunny and 97.
Dude, that thing sounds beautiful.
Mostly sunny and 100.
Don't you?
Mostly sunny and 97
Your
degrees.
railroad frequency.
Yeah. Yeah, so I can just scan through the frequencies here in case I wanted to. How do you alert test the BC370?
Sunday, sunny.
Do you know how to?
Highs 94 to 99. Northwest.
Pacific.
Yeah.
Do you know how to alert test the BC370?
Night, mostly clear.
You can't alert test it.
Low 62.
Oh, damn.
Breezy. North winds up to 10 miles an hour in the evening, increasing to northwest 10 to 20 miles an hour after
yeah.
midnight.
So,
Monday,
I guess that's just gonna be it for this video. Thank you for coming along, Pacific.
northwest winds
It's
10 to 15 miles
very-
an hour.
Oh yeah, you should set up the AM antenna.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll do that.
Low tonight.
Probably
High on
just
Sunday,
after.
97. Low Sunday night,
We got the snip the wires on the end here.
95. For gas,
So I don't-
low tonight, 63.
Yeah, it's a loop antenna.
Sunday,
Let me.
63.
I know how to set it up.
For winds are low tonight, 63. High on Sunday.
You just
Low Sunday.
put it into the block on the back.
On Monday, 96. Now
Yeah,
for
you
the
got
extended
it's a switch.
forecast for southwest Idaho.
Put them
Monday
low.
night and Tuesday.
Yeah, you put the wires into the block.
Smoke. Lows in the lower 60s, except in the upper 50s in the mountains. Highs in the upper 90s, except in the lower 90s in the mountains.
So that one goes in there.
Night through Thursday.
This one's gonna go in here.
In the mid 60s, except in the upper 50s in the mountains. Highs in the
And I think I set it up right, so
Now for the extended forecast for southeast.
yeah. So I'm gonna do this and then
8 AM.
AM.
Oh, yeah, you know there's a button, right? You know those 4 buttons on, 5 buttons on top, right?
Yeah, there are 5 buttons.
Yeah.
Line anytime at
There it goes. Got it set up here.
because they really have
You got
some
one very
great products
clear.
to improve your
Yeah,
health and the health
got
of
some
your
nice
family.
local stations.
Okay, on today's show, we're talking
Yeah,
about
I think I might
vitamin
find
D,
the
sometimes
Idaho
referred to as
station.
the sunshine vitamin.
You got, so this is KIDO, this is 580. You got 630. I can't receive it pretty well because my antenna's not in the right spot. It's a music station, so I probably can't play that. You got 670 KBOI, which is one of the highest power stations, I believe, in the state. And then you also got some other stations like 1050, 1140, 1260. I don't remember any of the call signs, but if I do, I'll share them with you in the DM here. Alright? Anyways, Thank you for joining along with me for the unboxing, Pacific. Talk
Oh,
with
yeah.
you. Thank you very much. See ya. See you later,
I
bro.
got something.
Oh, what do you got?
These are your primary stations, I think. For the Boise area, I think.
Oh.
Hold on, let me just...